Hello guys, it's me Sahel and today I'm playing Just Hit the Button. Do you guys think this can end out very well? Best to be played in full screen mode, that's what I'm doing. Just hit the button. Game by whatever that is. So I just have to hit the button. 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 What is this? Oh, I can't touch that then. Okay, I got this. Bro, my mouse is moving so slow. Bro, my hands are not even on the mouse and it's moving. Chat, yo. What? Oh, this is kind of easy, but my hands is not even moving the mouse and it's... there we go, now I'm moving it. What? It's not clicking. It's not clicking. It's not clicking. Bro, let me restart, please. Just let me restart. Chat. How do I... Okay, I'm keeping an eye. It should be one of the ones here. I lost track because it went out of my screen. It's that one. Oh my god. Alright. Chat. My mouse. This is not even lag. That's just the game, I'm telling you. Chat, please just land on it. There we go. This game... Yo. I'm too quick for it. I'm too quick for it. What? What? Bro. Where's the... Give me that. This is easy. Bro, my mouse, what? Bro. Bro, what the hell? Okay, now what? Now what, game? Now what do I do? Bro, this is flipping Flappy Birds, what the hell? Bro, why am I playing Flappy Birds? It's that one. Bro, if I just focus on that one mouse, everything else just seems different. Okay, so I have a time limit. Yo, what? I don't want to hit the thing. Go, 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 go. Bro, what am I doing? Click, click, go, 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 go. Click, go, 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 click. Bro, why did I click it? Click, go, 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 click. There we go. I did it. Okay, what's this? Yo, my mouse is moving so quick. Yo, it moves so quick. I'm literally moving it the tiniest bit and it's moving so quick. Yo. Yeah. Yo. There we go. B, West C, West C. This is the best strategy to find it in it. Right there. It's the best strategy. Now what's going on here? I can't see my mouse now. Okay, I'm gonna keep it there for a bit. I moved a bit too quick. There we go. Okay. Bro, where's my mouse? I didn't even see where my mouse went. Bro, what? How did I... Yo, what is this? I just wanted... Bro, when I focus on trying to hit the button, I don't focus on anything else. I need to stop dying like that. Oh, yeah, I forgot I can't touch that. Bro, what? Am I... There we go. What? Oh, this is like hot or cold, isn't it? There we go. Mouse is like right. Yo, what? So it's like. Bro, what? I just clicked my screen and I found it. Okay, so here it's like that. If I go here, which means like here. What? My mouse. Oh, it's inverted. Yo, oh my god. Yo, I got this. Oh my god. Far. What am I doing? My brain is not processing it. Like, it's not processing clear enough. Yo, just let me click it. There we go. I clicked it like that one, didn't I? Oh, that was my actual mouse. I need to focus on my actual mouse. No twists. Bro, my finger, bro, my hand slipped, bro. My hand slipped. Alright, I got it. There we go. Okay. See, my foot slipped. So, like, yeah, like my foot slipped. And plus, like, it's the hitbox of the whatever it's called, like lava lasers, whatever. Like, it's the hitbox, bro. It's the hitbox. It's the hitbox. I'm telling you, it's the hitbox. It's hitbox. Okay. I'm telling you, chat. It's hitbox. It's hitbox, bro. It's hitbox. I didn't even move my mouse there. Is it like whenever I click that button, does it invert my controls or something? I click that, go down, go. Oh my god, I'm gonna crash out. I'm just gonna get back to the same spot. Alright, so I'm at the button. Oh my god. If you guys couldn't tell, I don't really play on PC, so usually I play on phone or PlayStation, but I'm playing on PC and I'm not used to the mouse sensitivity. It's so sensitive. If I move it a tiny bit, it moves so much. There we go, I finally completed it. Chat. There we go. What is this? What the hell? That's so hard to control for me. Bro, it's going up and flipping down. Alright, I'm just gonna smash that through, can't lie. Yo, it's. Alright, you ready, chat? Far. That went a bit too far. Yo, I need to start like going quick, but not too quick, because my mouse is way too sensitive. Okay, let's just. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. I did it! Finally! Okay, this is the game going blurry, by the way. But if I look on my camera, it's not that blurry, and if I look in the actual game, it's blurry. So if I look on my camera, oh, it just got even more blood. Okay, it's not that bad. I'm gonna have to get D, aren't I? Yo, this isn't. Yeah, I don't know what was going through my mind there, bro. It's my mouse, bro. It's not even me. It's my mouse, bro. Like, I'm just too good that my mouse is bugging. I can't tell if that's the game, that's me, or the mouse, because it can't be me. Might be the game. Okay, now please speed. What else? Bro, what is? Am I playing Flappy Birds again? Yep, I'm playing Flappy Birds again. Bro, how do I? Bro, I need to figure out how to control this. Cause when I was spam clicking, it's not going up. Sometimes when I spam click, it goes up. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, bro, what? Bro, it follows my mouse, bro. Oh, that's what I have to do. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. Yes, come on. See, it's easy when you start spamming like that. Is it really gonna be this easy of a map? Oh, that, huh? Oh, hell no. Okay. I need my memory to lock in at this precise moment. So that's how I died. I got it. I have so much space, so I just need to remember that. I've got so much space. Can you please come back? Oh, okay. Far. 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 Chat. This is an easy game. My controls are not inverted. What? They're inverted, but they're not opposite. If I go up, it makes me go right. If I go down, it makes me go left. So if I go left, it makes me go down. If I go right, it makes me go up. So we need to go left, up, right, up, yeah, right, and up, right and up. Okay, now go right only. Now go down. No, that's not what I meant by down. Yeah, no, I've already forgotten. Wait, I think left is down. Down. Okay, so up is right. Left is right is up. Alright, chat. So that means down. If I move my mouse down. Okay. Now what was down? Right? No, left. Now what was right? Down? No. Up. Okay, so now left. Down. Up. Did I do it? Yes. Oh, I did it! I completed the game! So, guys, let me know if you want me to play any other games. Just comment down below. I don't care how many likes this gets. Maybe I might be able to beat my time next time. But, yeah, like, subscribe, comment down below what game I should play next.